to the Little Panda's farm. Let's go to the store to sell goods. Store! All the produce you want is here, so feel free to shop. I'm here to buy something. Tomato, corn.
Yay!
Thank you. Here are the gold coins. The goods are sold out. Let's produce some. Wow, we can unlock new modules. Hank is working hard to build a house. Farmland. The farm is a mess. Kids, come build a beautiful farm. There are so many weeds that you can't cultivate crops. Let's clear the weeds first. And remove the dead tree trunks. Terrific! Let's grow crops together. Let's open up the farmland together. Let's start sowing corn seeds. Give them some water. Remember to fertilize them. They need sunlight to grow. Birds will destroy the plants. Drive them away. The crops are ripe. Wow, a bumper harvest! Our goods are in the store. I want to buy these things. Corn.
Yeah!
I'm done, thank you. The goods are sold out. Let's produce some. Plow more farmland so that you can grow more crops. Withered crops should be removed. You still have the land to plant. Tomato seeds. Corn seeds. The locusts are coming! Kill them! The crops are ripe! Wow, a bumper harvest! Corn seeds. Corn seeds. birds will destroy the plants. Drive them away! The crops are ripe! Wow, a bumper harvest! Corn seeds. Corn seeds. Caterpillars, catch them now! The crops are ripe! Wow, a bumper harvest! Corn seeds. Corn seeds. The locusts are coming! Kill them! The crops are ripe!